Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to send GIFs on Tinder. To do this you have just to go to Tinder app, open it, and after that go to chats, and after that go to the conversation where you want to send that GIF. And of course, like, you have to have matches in the app so you can send them messages and speak with them. And matching with someone means that you liked that person and he liked you back in the app, of course. So, for example, I will enter to that conversation. And to send a GIF, there is, as you can see in the bottom left of the screen, there is GIF like button. Click on it. And as you can see here, you will find a big library of GIFs, and you can search, for example, for good morning, and it will show you like the GIFs related to good morning, and you can click on any one of them and it will be sent in the conversation. So, and like that, you can send a GIF in the conversation on Tinder. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.